Today is the day. Today's the day we've been waiting for. We are putting in our mailbox.
Let's go put it in the mailbox.
We got an address.
Yay.
This is a big deal. It's the day we've been waiting for, a day we've been working towards.
It's a long time coming.
My name is Jess.
I'm Joe.
That's Joe. And you're watching American Roots.
So Jessica's always smart shopping and finding good deals. I doubt she paid more than $5 for this stuff. It's just some exterior satin. I don't know. Looks like coffee, and it's gonna go good on our mailbox post. But she got it. It's probably oops paint, where somebody didn't want it, and that's how she gets a lot of her paints and cool colors. So I gotta mix it a lot because it's been sitting. She bought it a few months ago, and we'll get ready to paint. And we will paint.
So we bought raw land and haven't had an address and just kind of been 0, 0, 0.
Gotta get that hay rake or the. Oh, that's right. That guy's bringing hay today. We got hay being delivered today. Hey.
When you buy raw land, there's a process that you have to go through in order to get an address because you don't have an address, and you need to have things like a waste system, things like that. And so there's a process you have to go through. And so we finally met the requirements. The lagoon allowed us to put the proper systems in place that would allow us to live on the property and have the ability to be linked up to like 911 if there was an emergency and we needed to have emergency response.
They would know where to go.
They would know where to go, exactly. So this is all, steps in the right direction. We ordered a 1,500 gallon cistern that should be here in about 2 weeks. Joe's gonna auger the hole and we're gonna be able to set the concrete around it and then put the mailbox on. This will be a pretty fast process, I think.
I hope so. Done it.
A time or two.
Not mailboxes, but posts. Yeah, I gotta choke it out. Why don't we do that?
I had to come back and get a shovel and a tape measure. He hit a couple rocks and that was causing the jerking and the stopping of the blade and the auger. And so once he got down there and hand dug them out, he was able to get it dug all the way down. So he's up there clearing out the hole right now. I'm gonna grab those tools and we're gonna get back at it. The dogs wanted to go and the roosters are going crazy.
Go ahead, take measure.
All right, got materials.
Yeah, we'll get the coffee. And then this is the back side. It's gonna be the front. Do you like that?
I do.
Okay. And then this. What I wanted to do is kind of scallop this out. This piece. Maybe I can do that later. You know what I mean? Make it a little bit more decorative.
It looks nice.
But very robust.
Man, that thing's nice. Looks like a cross.
Perfect. So I found that the hard way. I cut it to the full length and I was like,
Very good.
yep.
So do you put this wooden piece on the post first and then you put the mailbox on that?
Both. I could do that. I was gonna mount it to this and then get inside and do it. And then, but I like your idea better. Just come in on the sides.
And then you can make sure that that's drilled in from the top.
And level. That's why I can't see him. They look like dirt. They look like a blade of grass. Where ground level must be. I had a line right there. Alright. So now we'll drop it in dry, see where we're at. And then I'd like to fill in a little smoosh and make some cement first, or what?
I don't think it matters. You could drop it in and then we could mix, but whatever you want to do.
Yeah, we can do that. We need the level, which is right there.
Nice.
So I can put a little bit of concrete in at the bottom, and then I'll level it out. use two, I'll use two. About a cup. About an inch or so. Level. Got it. It's almost perfect height. Okay. Let me get this right. You're gonna have to do the cement portion. Come over here. When you back up, you gotta beat your horn. Ooh. Wow.
You're okay. You're good. Very nice.
It's proportionate to its size.
Very proportionate. I love it. Great job. And the flap opens all the way.
Everything's money.
Good job. Alright, mailbox is in. Check off the to-do list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, we're praying blessings on you, and we hope that you're choosing to buy dirt, not diamonds. We'll see you soon.